Welcome back guys. In this video, in this lecture, we will learn how to customize your YouTube channel like channel art, channel logo and much more. So in this video we will customize this. As in the previous video you learned that how to create channel keywords and description and how to create social links for your YouTube channel. So you learned all this, and now we will learn this, that how to customize your YouTube channel and channel art, channel logo and more. So for this, go to your YouTube channel, and here we have these two options. One is YouTube Studio and the second one is Customize Channel. So when you click on Customize Channel, then you will be able to change these two section. So we have this small pencil icon. This is our channel logo and this is our channel art. Channel art show your information about, for example, I search my another YouTube channel, so I will show you that this is called channel art. So this is my YouTube channel. So here you see that this area is called channel art and this is called channel logo, and these are the social links that we have created for I told you in the previous video. So this is our about section. You can read about. So as a description I have added all this description. So this is email ID and location and links, Facebook, Instagram and website. So I have added this to this. So now we will create and customize this channel here. So first is home. You can upload video to your home, and the second one is video. When you upload video to your channel, it will be show here, and this one is playlist. When we create video and we add a lecture, or we create a complete course for website or something else, or some, when you create a complete course and then you add to playlist, then that is called playlist. And this is channel and discussion and about section. So add a section, you can add you don't have any recent uploads, so this will not appear on your channel to add content. So our channel is completely empty, there is no video in our channel, but we will add one video to our channel, and then we will read all about this section. So now we will talk about the channel art. So how we can create channel art and what is its exact size. So how we can create this channel art. So for creating a YouTube channel art, we have this image from official image. This is desktop, max size is 2560 by 423, and this is the tablet size, and here is desktop, minimum and mobile. So we can create or add this section here, and this is a complete image for TV, and as you see here, we see the TV. There is desktop, tablet, desktop, minimum and mobile. Text and logo safe area. Here you can add your text and logo for your YouTube channel. So one is tube tracker. Here you can create free account, and first name, last name, email address, password and confirm password. So I will add this and I will click on registered. So put this information, mean and email address, password, and click on registered. So it send me a database error occurred, error number 1, add field forget code. So I will refresh. So maybe there is a problem in this website. We will add our data again and we will try on it. So here we see the password must be at least 6 digital and must contain one letter and one number. So we will add random password. So again we will click on registered, and again it's give us error. So this website give me error right now. I will go to canva.com. So canva.com is a very famous website where you can create different type of templates like social media, Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook cover, Twitter post, and for for personal invitation card, resume, postcard, planner, t-shirt, business presentation, website logo. You can create different type of logo presentation, and so many people are using this canva.com, and they are creating amazing logo uh, for their website and YouTube. And one thing more I have to tell you, that when you go to fiverr.com, so when I go to fiverr.com, and here you see that when I search for YouTube channel art, so there are so many people giving gigs and getting money, that you see that this person is giving 2659 rupees. And it say that I will design YouTube channel art with profile picture, I will create professional channel art for YouTube, I will create awesome gaming YouTube banner or channel art. So all these people are earning money for creating this channel art. So if you are able, then you can also give this service, and you can also earn money with this way. So all these people are getting money. I will design best amazing YouTube thumbnail, channel art, and much more. So it take RS 887, and this person will create setup YouTube channel with logo at intro, outro. So all these people are giving service for creating channel art. So you can also get this service and give this service to people with $5 or so. All these people are creating this channel art and logo here, and they are using this website. So you can use the free version and paid version, as you see when you go to pricing. So this is free, this is pro and enterprise, educational, non-profit. So you can buy, and you can also use its free features. So there are so many features then that you can use. So first you have to create your profile. So you have to register it yourself here. So registration is very simple. Just put your first name, last name, and your email address. You will get email, and then only confirm it. So now we will click on a YouTube channel art, and here you see that its size is 2560 by 14 and 40 pixel. So when we click on it, so it will redirect us to our channel art, and here you see the ready-made template, and you can use all these templates for free. You can upload your image, you can photo, you can add element, you can add text, videos, background, folders. So you can do anything here, and you can create amazing channel art for your YouTube channel. For example, I'm selecting random for saving time, so I click this, and here you see that we have this picture on background, and here we can add the text. So we will cut this text, and we will add our text. So I have selected PC installation, and you see this small so I will cut this text from here. You can change the font. You can also change the font from you can change the font color, the font size, and here you see that we have so many effects here, and you can change the font size and font color. As you see the font, you can increase or decrease, and destination, blur effect, and you can change everything here. You can use this. You can change color of your text from here. So as you see, so this is amazing website, and you can create amazing thumbnail for your videos, for your, and amazing channel art for your channel. And also you can create logo for your website and for your YouTube channel, and you can also use for your Instagram, Twitter, and this is unbelievable. This is amazing website. I personally like it. So when you get ready, and your thumbnail, your channel art is ready, then just simply click on download, and here you see that PNG, and you can change it to JPEG, PDF, and you can use all this. So JPEG is small file size image, PNG is high quality. So we will select PNG and click on download. So preparing your design, and now it will download our when I click on show all. So this is our image, and its size is 3.2 MB, and it's ready. And now we can upload this to our channel art, and when we click on show, I will put it on desktop. So now we will go back to our channel, and here you see the channel art. So click on add. You can select upload photo, select upload photo from computer, and go to desktop, and here we have the channel art, and click on open. So now it's loading, and it will show you that your channel art will look, how it will look on mobile, tablet, and PC. So you can adjust it, you can crop it. So it's loading. So our channel art is loaded, and as you see that when someone search on desktop, it will look like this. As you see on desktop, this is TV. When someone browse our channel on TV, it will look like this. When someone load our channel on mobile, then it will look like this. You can adjust the crop, and you can select it. So you can also select auto enhance. So it will auto enhance, and click on select. So as you see, it's now saving, and our channel art will be displayed here. And as you see that this is our channel art, and this is our a social link, and with this way you can also add your logo. So click on edit. So here we have the channel icon. So here you can add your, you can also upload from a computer. You can select this one that we have already selected. So we can select this PC installation, and click on done. But you can change it. It's not difficult to change. When I click on refresh, you will see that this will also be changed. So as you see that we have the PC installation logo here, icon here, and also we have it here. So we have successfully add channel art here. You can also edit this channel art in your mobile with the PixArt software. We can add beautiful channel art from there. So in this lecture you learned that how to customize your YouTube channel channel art, channel logo, and more. So in the next video we will learn how to do channel setting, basic info, advanced setting, branding, feature, and eligibility. So see you on the next video.